Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I want to just ask you a couple questions. So, obviously, you guys were both clients of me here at Credit Coach Pros, and I helped you guys. Tell me a little bit about when you guys first came to me and what some of the issues were with your credit.
Well, for me, my credit was in the dumps. I had bankruptcy on me, and I was in the low 400s when I started with you.
And for me, I don't even think I had credit.
So, what's it looking like now?
I am in the 700 club, and I'm actually about to purchase my first home.
I'm so excited for you guys.
And
I'm
mine is
so
good.
excited. So
Mine
excited.
is good. I've been learning a lot about credit.
And I have credit cards now, and I'm so excited.
Yeah. It's so exciting. Well, I just want to thank you guys so much for your time. Now, if you were someone looking for someone to help you with their credit, what would you say to them if they had second thoughts on joining our credit program?
Well, I feel like I referred someone to you, and myself as well as I can speak for Jayla. Your understanding, you work through step by step with us. We can call you and schedule a meeting with you any time of the day. And you're personable,
Reliable.
You're reliable. And you go far and beyond to help out in anything that's possible. When I call you in crunch time, in crisis, different things, you're always there to help.
Well, thank you guys so much. It means the world to me. I want to thank you for allowing me to help you guys. Again, congratulations on your guys' first home purchase. That's huge news. I think we worked together for about a year, Naya. Okay,
Yes.
yeah. And it takes time. Whenever someone comes to me, I'm very open and honest. Do you feel like you got open and honest service when you were in our credit program?
I actually do. I mean, if I don't speak to you, someone from the office still calls to do check-ins. And then I get my summaries every month. If it's something that I don't understand, I can always set up a meeting or send you a text. And I think that's really personable. And you always respond in a timely manner to me.
Yeah,
It's like your family.
Yep. I always try to respond to my clients within 24 hours, my goal, but sometimes it does take a couple days, but yeah, I always want to respond to clients. So again, guys, thank you guys so much for your kind words. Any last thoughts that you want to give to people out there watching?
I think that it's something that everyone should get into. Credit is important, and the knowledge that you share is very important and helpful. And I'll continue to refer people to you in your business.
Well, thank you guys so much. All right, I'm going to go ahead and end the call with you guys, but just follow up with me later and we'll get the final pieces all tied up.
Thank you.
All right, thank you,
All
ladies.
right.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.